Afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here 2018 Commerce Past question. Question number 40 says an advantage of privatizing a firm is that is dash. That is, what is the merit or the good part of handing over public company or firm or industry to private individuals? Option A, becomes more efficient. B, sell goods at low prices. C, employs more workers. D, attract more customers. The correct option here is option A, becomes more efficient. When you privatize, or that is one of the major reasons why government or state privatize public firm. And when we talk of privatization, by definition, privatization is the process of selling out public firms or public companies for private in the individuals to and it enhances their efficiency. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.